If your toilet keeps constantly refilling the tank, you gotta fix that fast before your water bill blows up, you know? So here's the deal. First, check the flapper, because if it's worn out or warped, water's gonna sneak past and cause non-stop refills. Next up, clean the flush valve seat where the flapper seals. It can get gunked up and mess with the seal. Then, adjust the float height, because if it's set too high, water keeps running into the overflow tube like a faucet stuck open. Speaking of which, make sure the overflow tube isn't cracked or broken. Even tiny leaks cause problems. If all that doesn't help, try replacing the fill valve, since old or faulty ones won't shut off water properly. While you're at it, double check that everything's assembled right and nothing's loose or misaligned. Don't forget to listen for that constant running sound and watch the water level after a flush to catch sneaky issues early. Trust me, spending a little time fixing this can save you a lot of hassle and cash. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a constantly refilling toilet is ignoring a bad flapper, which leads to non-stop leaks and wasting water. Just swap it out with a new one to stop that. Another common problem is not adjusting the float height correctly. If it's too high, water just spills into the overflow tube, so take a minute to lower it until the tank fills to the right level. Lastly, lots of folks overlook a worn fill valve that won't shut off when it should. Replacing it usually fixes the issue quickly and stops the endless refilling cycle. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and can fix toilet troubles fast. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to find more work and connect with homeowners who need your skills.